Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to tell you that why I use fountain pen instead of using regular normal pens. This is fountain pen European. The model name is Clan, but this is big pen, big crystal grip pen. I love both of them, but for my daily handwriting I mainly use fountain pen rather than using ordinary pens. In this video I'm not going to tell anything bad about these ordinary pens, but I'm going to give you my reasons to why I use this fountain pen. Okay, the as you can see, this text here is written by this big pen, but the text below this one is written by this fountain pen. In my opinion, this one is more beautiful than this one. The very first reason for why I use fountain pen is that they write more beautiful, and using them my handwriting is more readable. Okay, but the other reasons are here. I should tell that the first reason, after the readability and the beautifulity of the handwriting, the first reason is that fountain pens have environmental aspects. You see, when the ink here is finished, let me adjust the camera. Okay, as you can see, the ink here is going to finish, and I can charge it easily. I use this ink, Pelican. This is my favorite ink. Okay, I could write some days with it, but or maybe some weeks with this much of ink, but now I'm just filling it to show you how we can fill. Also, if you like fountain pens, please leave a comment that I can make another video about fountain pens, to how to keep it in order to be able to write until 100 years with a fountain pen. Okay. Okay. This finished. You see, when the ink is finished, you can recharge it, but when this pen is over, you must throw it to the garbage, and in the nature it is hard for me to see lots of these normal pens which have been finished, but you can use a fountain pen, and when the ink is finished, as you saw, you can recharge it and you can use it until 100 years. That in another video I will tell you how to keep it in order to be able to write for 100 years. That was the first reason. The second is feeling special. You see, this pen is $50, but this one is $20. So it seems this one seems to be luxury, but this one seems to not to be so much luxury for me, and I just want to use something special in order to be special in other people's eyes. Okay, and also fountain pen has economical aspect, but this one doesn't have. When it is finished, you have to buy another one. When that is finished, you have to buy another one again, but this is not finished. You only buy a bottle of ink and you can use it for 3 or 5 years. I have bought it for more than 1 year, and as you know, I'm a calligrapher and I use a lot, but this is not finished yet. I think I can use it for my next 4 months, and then I will have to buy another one. But if I was using this, I should have changed it and bought another one. So if you buy one of these pens, you will need to buy another after 2 or 3 weeks or 1 month. But if you buy this, it will be your lifetime using instrument, and the only cost will be to buy this bottle of ink to once in a 2 or 3 year. This is cheap. This is not very expensive. You can check the costs in the websites and especially in Amazon.com. Okay. The ink of fountain pens is indelible and cannot be forged. This is really important to know. But the inks of ordinary pens, I don't say that the big pen, but this is more reliable. If you are an important person and you write or sign important things, I recommend you to use fountain pens. This is $20, but is lifesaver in some cases. If you have noticed, policemen and also specialists and important people use fountain pens in order to write and sign. Okay, and also the last thing in this video I'm going to tell you is the packaging of fountain pens. When I bought this fountain pen, it was in a beautiful packaging, but this was not. For example, here I have diplomat sleep. You see, it's in a packaging that when you look at it, you like it. You see, the pen is here. You take it out. You see, this is so nice to see that the pen you write is in a special packaging, but ordinary pens doesn't have special packaging. You saw this, even the ordinary pens doesn't have this small things when you buy them. You see, fountain pens are beautiful, they write beautiful, they are special. The ones who use them is special and I love them. Okay, so let us test the European clan with the big pen and another ordinary pen. I will write a small sentence in order to just see that fountain pens write so beautifully. Okay, I will also use this pen here. It is a good pen. I will write with it and you will see. Okay, for example, I want to write "You are unique." The subscribers of my channel are so unique. Okay, let me start from here. As you can see, this pen writes good, but when I use fountain pen, you will see the difference, even if nothing. Okay, you are unique. Okay, but now I will use this pen. This is jelly pen, and because of that, the color of this pen is better than this one. Because I use a camera here and I'm not so professional in movie making, I cannot see what I'm writing, and because of that the speed of my writing is slow. So now we will use this one. I love this. If my movie making was good, nothing. Okay, let's try. You see, this is something special for special people. When you write with a fountain pen, you will not like to use another writing instrument, believe me. If you haven't used a fountain pen yet, I recommend you to buy one. Just